Hi everyone. In today's episode you're going to see this, and a bit of this. But what you won't see is, you won't see Matilda crossing a tiny ferry. You won't see when we thought we had a hole in the diesel tank. You also won't see when I found out that I had lost 4 weeks footage. And basically everything I've just told you about. So bear with me on this one. There's going to be a little bit of magic applied, and you're going to have to see an awful lot of mobile footage. Alright? So yeah, come along. Experience disaster firsthand. Bye. Yep. Well, Emma, does this remind you of anywhere? It looks very Chinese to me. Now, this looks like China, you must admit. It does look a lot like China.
7 kilometres to go. It's got no sign of becoming the end of a town, has it?
No. So, this is our spot for the night. Come on, Harley. Yeah. Well, we're not going. No, we're going up here. Because we want to.
I just want to turn around now.
Well, it might be a dead end. No idea. I mean, you know.
I'm sure you can turn around here.
Oh, actually, yeah, there's a famous shot you can take just up here, which I think was the second stop I put in.
All right.
And there you go. There's power going over there, because I know Paul was worried about how you got over there. And I think from the other side he'll actually get to see. Oh, you can't see. Hang on. He'll actually get to see how they get up there.
Calculating route.
And this is why people double park, because I want to get that view on Instagram. I really do. Oh, you can park here if there's. Oh, look, there's a spot. Just about here. Doesn't look very high at all, does it really? Easy peasy. And you can see the people. Well, look, there's people. Okay, for those of you who think this is callous, it's not, because we've already rescued her. This is the girl, and this is not done for karma or for anything. It's just the fact that the poor girl we found on the street, I think she's pregnant, I'm not sure. She's got teeth, she's got a fat belly. She could have even given birth already, for all I know. I don't know much about veterinary science. I don't think she'll last the night, and if she does, well, I mean, she's got nothing to look forward to anyway. I just couldn't leave her there. She was in a park. the video obviously will show it. As I said, we'd already put a space blanket around her. We'd already fed her before we took any footage, because I hate people who expect to get something out of it. Anyway, thank you.